So we've been absolutely getting wailed on with snow up here in New Hampshire, and came out of my house today and I noticed something on the rims of my Bronco that can kind of happen to any vehicle. So if you get a shake in your wheel, definitely look for this if it's snowed out or if you just want mud into something like that. So in the back of the truck, we got a lot of snow here yesterday. There's some snow all caked into the spokes of the Bronco, and this can happen to any vehicle. It's not specific to the Bronco, but if you get snow or mud or anything in the wheel of your car, it can definitely cause like a shake. So if you get a vibration, especially on the highway, right after it snowed or maybe after you get out of the mud, check for this. Check to see, if there's some snow or mud stuck in your wheel. If there is, make sure the rims are cold. Just kind of get it all out of there. This is kind of powdery snow, so it's easy to clear out. And the rest of this will kind of fling off when we start driving, especially in the front wheel, because the front wheel, you'll feel it up in the steering wheel, especially if it's like a thick clumpy snow like we had yesterday. It gets kind of caked in there, and you'll think that like there's something wrong with the front end, and a lot of times check your wheels. That's all it might be, is like snow packed in there. So we can call this the snowstorm public service reminder. So check that stuff out if it snowed a lot in your area. And if you're cleaning your cars off, you go down the road and all of a sudden, the steering wheel's going like that. Check your wheels, the inside of the wheels, make sure there's no snow in there and clear it out if there is. Hope you guys like the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Take it easy, guys.